yung sagot ko sa ating National Security Advisor, sa ating National Security Council. Nauna na kanina yung written document, yung statement and open letter. Babasahin ko lang siya ulit para sa inyo ngayon, para meron kayong video. Oo, tutulungan ko kayo sa trabaho ninyo. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Huwag lang daw kayo magbanggaan ng mic, sabi ng mga ano nyo, kasamahan nyo. O hindi na daw ako makita.
Siyempre.
Nagbabantay kay Yusek Lopez. Salamat Salamat sa inyong tulong sa Office of the Vice President at sa mga personnel ng Office of the Vice President. Hindi lang nila masabi sa inyo ngayon dahil lahat sila busy, under pressure, under stress sa kailangan namin gawin lahat dahil ngayong araw na ito, tatlo yung division ng labor namin. Meron sa office, meron sa House of Representatives at meron dito. This is in response to the statement made by the National Security Advisor speaking for the National Security Council dated 24 November 2024. National security pertains to the protection of our sovereignty, the safety of the Filipino population, and the preservation of our democratic institutions. The function of the National Security Council is confined to the formulation of policies and in furtherance of such pursuits, including crafting recommendations to the President. Therefore, I would like to see a copy of the notice of meeting with proof of service, the list of attendees, the photos of the meeting, and the notarized minutes of the meeting where the council, whether this present council or the past councils, resolved to consider the remarks by a vice president against a president maliciously taken out of logical context as a national security concern. In addition, please include in the agenda for the next meeting my request to present to the Council the threats to my person, the OVP institution, and its personnel. As a member of the National Security Council, based on EO 115, December 24, 1986, I do not recall receiving a single notice of meeting since 30 June 2022. Therefore, I request the NSA to please send to me the notarized minutes of all meetings conducted by the Council from 30 June 2022. If at all there is any, I want to review what the Council has accomplished so far in terms of policies and recommendations for national security. Gusto malaman ng taong bayan kung ano ang ginagawa ng National Security Council at ano ang nagawa ng National Security Council. Moreover, please submit within 24 hours an explanation in writing with legal basis bakit hindi na member ang Vice President sa National Security Council or bakit hindi ako nakakatanggap ng invitation ng meeting, whichever is applicable. And finally, I urge all the National Security Council members and the Filipino people to demand transparency and accountability from the personnel of the National Security Council. Shukran.
Ma'am,
Thank you.
ano daw yung tinutukoy niyo na white envelope? Ano daw po yung inutos sa inyo ni
Yes,
Lisa?
yung dalawa lang muna sa akin. I need to help
Okay.
OVP personnel.
Pero
Thank you.
support
Thank you
lang.
po. Thank you.